One of our favorite recipes to use apples for is going to be applesauce. It's a family favorite, super easy, it's good all year round. Let's take a look at how we make this. First, we're going to chop 2 apples. We're going to remove the cores and the seeds. We're going to place it into a saucepan, adding 1/4 cup of water, a dash of cinnamon, cardamom, and nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to then bring it to a boil. We're going to cover it up and steam it. Let's take a look at how that goes together. First of all, we take our apple. We're going to slice it in half. We can just cut our core out. Watch your fingers. And we're going to slice it up and put it into our container. Continue on this until you have both apples into the pan. Now that we have our apples into the pan, we're going to add our next ingredient. 1/4 cup of water. Now we're going to add our seasoning. Just a sprinkle of each. We're going to add our cinnamon, just a sprinkle. We're going to add our cardamom. Be careful, this is real peppery, so you just want to put a little bit in the lid here. You just need a little bit. And then your nutmeg, just a sprinkle. And finally, we're going to add our teaspoon of vanilla. Now that we have all the ingredients in, we're going to take a lid and we're going to place it on top. And we're going to bring it to a boil, remove it from the stove, and we're going to let it steam for 20 to 30 minutes. After that, we're going to come back and we're going to blend it on high in the blender, and we're going to serve it up with my favorite grilled cheese sandwich. So now that we've finished steaming the apples with the seasoning, we're going to blend it on high for 1 minute. And then we're going to serve it. It's so delicious. Let's start with our blending. We're just going to put it right here into our container. Snapping a lid on top. And now we're going to blend it on high for 1 minute. So we've finished blending it. This enables us to keep all of the skins and all of the nutrient. We then take our lid off. And look at that beautiful applesauce. Now that we're finished, you can take it and refrigerate it. And later on, make your grilled cheese sandwich, my favorite. We dish it up like this. That's a finished homemade applesauce. It's so delicious with a seed bread and a toasted cheese sandwich. Let's try it out. I bet this is so delicious. Everybody's going to love this, especially the kids. Here we go. That flavor changes everything. It's even good on chicken, good on fish, even put it on the side of salads. Applesauce, fan favorite.